Hi, welcome Priya. Today's video is on basic makeup look. Before any makeup, try covering the dress sides of the neck portion of the dress. As you're seeing me doing covering it with some cloth in the video, and then start up cleaning first by cleaning your face. Here I'm cleaning it by cleanser, applying it in circular motion, and then I'll be cleaning it by cotton. You can also wash your face with water if you wish to. Once you are done with this, then start applying a base with moisturizer or any skin repair cream. Again, try applying it in the circular motion. Moisturizer or skin repair cream can be skipped up in any other season except winters. Try covering up applying this in complete face right from the forehead, eyes, nose and each and every corner so that your base makeup gets set up well and easily. Also make sure you cover up sides of your neck too and certain portions which are visible from your clothes. Now once you are done with applying moisturizer on your face and neck and ears portion, now you can start applying with the base concealer. If you are going to apply 2 coats of concealer, first apply the darker coat and then the lighter one. Here I am using beige shade. As you can see in the video, I am using a lipstick stand concealer. It comes in various patterns. Buy as per your skin tone and as per your requirement which suits you. For application of this, then again I am applying it on the darker portion. Just press applying it slightly and then dabbing it, dab and then spreading it in a circular motion. I am applying it a little more on the portions like my dark circles and upper lips portion where it is more darker or more quantity and other portions are a bit less, but I am covering up the complete face and neck whichever portion is visible. Repeating the same process of just applying it, press applying it, dabbing it and then spreading it in a circular motion. Now if you wish to, you can apply a base powder. If you wish to skip it here, then apply a foundation cream. Just get it on one of your thumb finger, apply dots of the liquid on the places where you wish to apply and then gently spread it again in circular motion. Avoid applying base, concealer, compact or whatever you are applying on eyebrows, eyelashes and on lips. For setting pancake foundation liquid, you can use a sponge to set it. If you don't wish to or don't have it, you can spread it with the thumb finger as I am doing. Just dab and then spread it in circular. Now coming to compact powder, I'll be folding the sponge in 4 folds and then using the folded portion to apply it in circular way again. First starting from the eyes and then spreading it towards the cheek and then lowering it to on neck from one side to the other side. I'll be also using and applying remove any excess makeup or whichever you feel extra or any mistake by using a cotton or with the help of tissue paper. Don't use any cloth or any harsh object to remove it. Now, or else if you don't have cotton or tissue paper, you can also spread it with the hand if you wish to spread it and level it or blend the eyeshadow. Once you are done with the compact powder, your base is set up. Now you can start doing the eye makeup. For this, I'll be applying a lighter tone on below under eye portion, then the same tone on just below the eyebrows. Below that, a bit darker tone and then more darker below it, just above the eyelashes. Then I'll be blending all these 3 shades, darker, lesser darker and the lightest tone all three together. Also, take care while applying eye makeup or applying the eyeshadow. You apply the edges and the ends corners of towards nose as well as towards your ears properly, so that the finishing comes good and the makeup will look great. Now for applying the eyeshadow, you can use either, here I am applying kajal pencil to my eyebrows in this video to show. Otherwise my eyebrows are quite dark and I don't apply it until and unless I am doing a very dark makeup. Now apply eyeliner. I am using a black eyeliner to apply. You can use whichever you wish to. Try applying thinner coat as much as possible. Now for blush, take a thicker brush. Get 2 coats darker than the eye makeup which you did, and then apply it in circular motion on your cheekbone, somewhere closer to your ear. Don't apply very dark if you're doing a light makeup. For applying mascara on your eyelashes, use this first to straighten your eyelashes and level it, and then later apply mascara. Prefer using black colored mascara. And for lips, I am not applying any lipstick. I'll just be applying lip balm. If you wish to, you can apply lipstick and then lip gloss in the center. If you haven't subscribed my channel and wish to watch such videos, please do subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload a video. So if you did like it, share it with your family and friends. Do give it a thumbs up. Fashion, styling and stitching. This is all for today. Hope you had a good time watching me. Thanks for watching. Bye.